start to prepare all the walls to be repainted again. So I already remove all the, look at that. She put screw everywhere, all the screws there with a fissure inside. So okay, start to clean up all the walls. After, we're gonna put all the filler on all the holes, like this one, this one. Of course, before painting, we're gonna check that leak on the top. That should be in the bathroom. Look, another needle here. And this needle, if it's a needle, I don't mind, I don't care. Like, I understand people need to put painting or shit on the wall, but it's when they put screw with a fissure inside, and it's so annoying to remove it after. We're so annoying to remove it. To remove it, no. It does have a hole after. Look at that, man. I already removed myself now the screw. Okay. After we still need to decide to do all carpet floor again to replace the one that she stole, or to do all wooden floor. I wanna see the difference on the cost. After we're gonna let it out again, so I don't want to spend a fortune here. But let's see. This is the room that we already start to clean up. Here you see there's already some bags full of rubbish. Oh my god, look at that. The one is scared me. And the wall scared me as well. I mean, how can you live with a wall like that and don't say anything? Don't say anything. Fuck yeah. Anyway, let's carry on. Work is progressing here. So this room is done, like you said before. There is no leak there. Probably there was a old leak. Here we start to remove all the wallpaper. How is Guillaume?
I'm doing some work and it's very slow. But
it's very slow. Yeah. So here there's some damp problem for sure. And we noticed that is the gutter outside. I'm gonna bring you to the gutter. And saying that, this door we can open now. We changed the lock, but it doesn't open, so. The gutter is that one. As you can see, this old green area on the stone there. I can no one notice it before. And there are some mushroom up there. It's possible no one noticed, man. Anyway, we're gonna sort it out everything. Other than that, the house is not that bad. It just need a lot of love, a lot of work, a lot of paint. And we are back to our little house that needs renovation. So what we did yesterday, we fill up all the holes in this room. Today we're gonna sand it, and we start to collect some rubbish here. There's plenty. The surprise is in this room. There was all this plasterboard was rotten, so I took it out, let it dry a little bit, and we're gonna replace it. Of course, before we're gonna fix the gutter upstairs and probably do the treatment of damp proof, the one that you inject in the wall. This one. This door is still locked. We can manage to open. We called the guy, but it's easiest to get him here. Thanks God there's this little window here. Oh, you see here? All clean. There's a lot of rubbish, man. There were pigs inside here. You see this wall? Today is sunny here, you can see better. And when it's rainy, it's pouring water down there. I don't know if it's broken, if it's stuck, it's full, I don't know. So the wall is this one. It's coming down all the water there. And that is the problem down there. But you see here, they do holes inside the stone. But actually they should do the holes where you inject the cream to create a membrane to don't let the water coming up, the humidity. It should be on the mortar, not on the stone. Yeah, I'm not on the business, but I know that. Imagine that there are people in the business who does that. If you check all the house around here, they all did it, but it's all on the mortar. I don't know why here they decide to do. Anyway, here we go upstairs to see what we did yesterday. Well, we fill up some holes here as well, all around. We clean up all the furniture. Now we saw downstairs. Still, this one was heavy to carry down, so probably today. Actually, it's not that bad now, the house that's been a bit clean. And oh, we removed some wallpaper. They used to paint a vinyl paint. It's crazy to remove it. But probably I just try to go on the top to cover it. That's the bathroom. Where is the light? Here. That's the bathroom. Which there's not any leak. That here is a bit. No. It's on the bottom. There's no bottom. There's some leak from. Oh, look at that! It's disgusting. Probably gonna clean up everything there and change it. Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah. That's all. We still didn't go on the loft. I'm scared to see what is there. Really scared. Here, this room as well is nice. Guy already started to remove all the, I don't know how you call this. Usually they use this for the carpet. But we plan to put a laminate floor. That's all. And yesterday I saw this door that I didn't notice before. But it's all, I will try to fix it after. I don't know how, because anyway. Okay, today we're gonna prepare these two rooms upstairs, 1 and 2, and the corridor probably. Prepare it to be painted, and probably next week we're gonna start to do some painting as well. Okay, so let's go back to work. Oh, and also this vents, it was blocked yesterday. You know these air vents down there, it was blocked all the silicone, all the gaps, so this wall was not ventilated at all. Oh my god, it's gonna be a lot of work still here. That's all from here now. Let's see how it's gonna be later on.